What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are all well. Today we're going to be building a simple car loan payment calculator. So I hope you guys are excited. I certainly am. Let's combine a few of the concepts that you have learned so far: conditionals, Boolean expressions, arithmetic expressions. In this project, you will write a program that will calculate the monthly car payment a user should expect to make after taking out a car loan. The program will include the following: the car loan amount, interest rate of the loan, length of the loan in years, down payment. So the instructions provided are general guidelines. Upon completion of the project, feel free to add functionality of your own. If you get stuck during this project or would like to see an experienced developer walk through it, click Get Unstuck to see a project walkthrough video. Okay, so let's get straight to the instructions. Firstly, we're going to start off with the int variable called car loan. Set it equal to 10,000. Then an int variable called loan length, and set that equal to 3. Another int variable called interest rate, set it equal to 5. I'm going to quickly tick those down. Right underneath that, we're going to create another int variable called down payment, and set it equal to 2,000. So let's build some requirements that would prevent a buyer from taking out an invalid car loan. Write an if statement. So if statement that checks whether the loan length is less than or equal to 0, or whether the interest rate is less than or equal to 0. If that is the case, we're going to print out system.out.print line. What we're going to print out: error. Oops. You must take out a valid car loan. Else if, just tick those two. Else if the down payment is greater than or equal to the car loan. Inside of the else if block, print out a helpful message to the user about the down payment and car loan amounts. For example, you can print out something like the car can be paid in full. So another print statement, and this is going to be the car loan. Oops. Sorry. The car can be paid in full. And finally, else if none of the previous Boolean expressions evaluated true, calculate the monthly payment in an else block. So inside of the else block, we're going to create a new int variable called remaining balance. And set it equal to the car loan and deduct the down payment. Instead of deducting the down payment, I set it equal to the down payment. Clumsy. Really clumsy. Okay, I'm going to tick those down. So on the next line, we're going to create a new variable called months. Because we need to set it equal to the length. So it's loan length, which is 12 months. And then another variable called monthly balance. I'm going to set that equal to the remaining balance divided by months. This represents the monthly payment without interest included. So now we're going to add the interest. So let's start off with the interest. I'm going to set it equal to the monthly balance times the interest rate divided by 100. Then calculate the final monthly payment, create an int variable called monthly payment. And set it equal to the monthly balance plus the interest. And then finally, we're going to print it to the console. What's this? So we're going to print the monthly payment to the console. And if it checks out to be 233 as the monthly payment, then it is correct. It is indeed correct. So there you guys have it. This is the car loan payment calculator. I hope you guys enjoyed building this project with me. And right here, the last instruction, add comments near the top of the program that describe what the program does. So I'm just gonna say that this is a simple car loan payment calculator program. There you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. See you guys in the next lesson. Peace out. Thanks a lot. Consider liking and subscribing.